SHINCCI operates an 800,000 square meter advanced manufacturing base, capable of producing over 500 sludge drying systems annually. We integrate German laser systems to achieve cutting precision within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Our automated production lines ensure consistent component quality. Core components, self-manufactured, 0.01 millimeters precision. Every part undergoes rigorous metrology inspection before assembly. Our quality system is ISO 9001 certified, featuring 21 distinct inspection checkpoints. We perform extended stress tests to guarantee long-term reliability. Each system requires over 50 hours of skilled assembly. Completed units undergo 72 hours of continuous operational testing before shipment. We provide hands-on training in multiple languages, supplemented by remote guidance and a comprehensive online knowledge base for global clients. Our equipment is trusted in over 50 countries, with more than 4,000 successful installations across diverse industries like rubber, leather, and food processing. We use export-grade reinforced packaging and manage full container load shipments to ensure secure delivery to any destination worldwide. SHINCCI Manufacturing, Global Trust. Come and meet SHINCCI.